On our planet, a diverse array of creatures rule the animal kingdom, and some stand out for their deadly capabilities. Join us as we explore the top 10 most dangerous animals on Earth. The African elephant, the world's largest land mammal, is an imposing force in its environment. Despite their peaceful appearance, these giants can be deadly when provoked or threatened. With their immense size and powerful tusks, they can easily overturn vehicles or even charge at predators. The saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile on Earth, a true living dinosaur. These apex predators are expert hunters, ambushing unsuspecting prey, including humans, near water bodies. With their bone-crushing bite and impressive speed, they have earned their reputation as nature's most dangerous. The African lion, often referred to as the king of the jungle, commands respect among all other creatures. Their muscular bodies, sharp claws, and powerful jaws make them formidable hunters. Working in prides, they take down large prey with calculated precision, solidifying their position. In the depths of the ocean, the box jellyfish holds a notorious title as one of the world's most venomous creatures. Its tentacles are armed with tiny, harpoon-like nematocysts that release toxins capable of causing severe pain, heart failure, and even death in humans. The African buffalo is known for its unpredictable and aggressive behavior, making it one of the most dangerous animals to encounter in the wild. When threatened, these powerful herbivores can charge at incredible speeds and use their horns to defend themselves, posing a serious threat to predators. The hippopotamus, despite its seemingly gentle demeanor, is responsible for more human fatalities in Africa than many other large animals. Territorial and highly aggressive, these semi-aquatic beasts can be dangerous when provoked or cornered, especially when protecting their young. The tiny but deadly mosquito is responsible for transmitting various deadly diseases, including malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. As vectors of these pathogens, mosquitoes pose a significant threat to human populations, making them one of the deadliest animals. In the harsh Arctic environment, the polar bear reigns as the apex predator. With incredible strength and hunting skills, they can easily overpower seals and other marine mammals. Their immense size and carnivorous nature mean that they are capable of posing a severe threat to predators. Found in the remote regions of Australia, the inland taipan is considered the most venomous snake on Earth. A single bite from this elusive reptile can deliver a lethal dose of venom, making it a highly dangerous and feared creature. The golden poison dart frog is one of the deadliest amphibians, its bright colors acting as a warning to potential predators. Native to the rainforests of Colombia, its skin contains potent neurotoxins used by indigenous tribes to poison their blowgun darts. A single touch can be lethal. The animal kingdom is a realm of wonders and dangers. As we marvel at the diversity of life on Earth, let us also remember to respect and appreciate the significance of these most dangerous animals in maintaining the balance of nature.